All right, well, in Health First, a new push to protect children from whooping cough by vaccinating adults.
12 News' Hillary Mintz shows us how a Racine hospital is spreading the word about prevention.
Little Addison Peterson is just 12 hours old. And mom Jamie wasted no time protecting her newborn and herself from whooping cough or pertussis.
To think that you could be the carrier and actually give it to your child's frightening.
Pertussis is deadly for newborns. It's a horrible disease.
All Saints pediatrician Dr. Margaret Hennessy says the disease is spread from adults to children under 6 months who haven't been vaccinated, like Addison.
I know it's a little chilly.
Dr. Hennessy says adults sometimes don't realize they have pertussis because it can be masked as a cold. They always recommend expecting moms at least 20 weeks along or new moms to get the pertussis booster. Now, through a state-funded program called the Pertussis Cocooning Project, they're the first hospital in the state to protect other family members.
But with this cocooning project, nurses can now vaccinate not just mom, but 2 other primary caregivers, maybe dad and grandparents.
Well, when you cough 3 feet away, particles are flying, microscopically flying. And we always say if you share the air with somebody who has pertussis, you could get it.
Dr. Hennessy says whooping cough is so persistent and violent it can break ribs, even cause someone to throw up, something she says could be deadly to a newborn. But prevention is ultimately the best medicine. In Racine, Hillary Mintz, WISN 12 News.
The pertussis vaccine is available at all health departments, either free or at a minimal cost. It takes 2 weeks for the vaccine to build up immunity, and then it only lasts for about 5 years.